Aloha Mo Money crew, please hit a like, share, and subscribe if you find value in this. I'm going to try and do this quick so I can go spend time with my family. 3 projects I wanted to share with you. I believe it's still early. Clay Friends, my brother spoke about this in a TikTok. Just wanted to share some of the vibes here. This is the first clay, like 100% clay NFT project that I've seen. Check out the art. Pretty wild. I dig the art just off top, but here's what makes me bullish about this project. FOMO Mofo, Jasper Wong's collection, who's a huge artist, worldwide. His project FOMO Mofo, we made good money holding. We're actually holding that one, so we didn't flip FOMO Mofo. We FOMO'd into that project and we're long-term holding, but community there is great. The alpha information there is great. The mods there are mods here. And another reason to be bullish here is the roadmap is ever changing because it's a community-led project, but a ton of people in the community are pushing for clay pets as an additional NFT, and Cool Pets are launching today. They're breaking OpenSea, or OpenSea is just always broken in general, so shout out Looks Rare, but I would encourage you to try to use Looks Rare more. But a community-led project here, and the community wants to see clay pets, and the founder, he is all about it. He's stoked. Trent is down to make pets if we vote for that. So with that being said, that's another reason to hold long term, is the opportunity to vote, have your opinions be voiced to the community as well. And the founder of Clay Friends, Trent Shy, he has 618,000 followers on YouTube, Instagram, and this project is slated for March, and it's January. Hey son, almost February, and just in Discord alone's 13K. Hey, what's up, son? Ready to go? Yes, son?
I want to get shoot.
Let me hold you? Mm-hmm. You want to help me with this YouTube?
Yeah.
Cool, thanks. Let me know what you think about this project right here. Does this look cool?
I like the zombie one.
You like the zombie one?
Yeah.
Cool. Check this one out right here. Well, look at his face with the candy corn teeth. Is that cool?
Oh, go up, go up.
You want to go up or down? Oh,
Up.
up more? Boom. GM. This cool? I like this one a lot. It's like a skeleton. If you guys haven't, check out...
Oh, that up. That one.
Like the robot one?
No, I like this one.
This one?
Yeah.
The one with the smushed eyes?
No, the zombie one.
Oh, yeah, you're right. He's a zombie. Okay. That's pretty cool. Well, look at this guy. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Is that awesome? Well, look at this guy.
He's crying.
Was he crying?
About his toys.
His toys? Whoa.
Whoa, look.
What? Up?
Up, look.
Oh, I love it.
Whoa, look at that.
Isn't that cool?
He has no eyes.
It's awesome.
He has no eyes.
Look at this dude.
Wow. Let's go up. Go up
What?
again.
Okay.
I do see that zombie.
That zombie.
Yeah.
You like zombies?
Yeah.
This dude?
Yeah.
Check this out. So, let me show you some other zombie stuff.
Yeah.
Cool, check this out. I thought this was pretty wild. So, Trent's YouTube channel, it's got some pretty grotesque, wild stuff. Just wanted to share. This one was cool. Other ones are pretty wild, but check out this zombie one. We don't do this at all, just not getting paid to talk about this at all either. Just thought it was cool.
It's cool.
It's cool?
Yeah.
Check out this on the behind the scenes how he made it, alright? He made this out of clay. Oh yeah. I dig that. So I did clay friends. There's a ton of, yeah, you can get clay listed still. Project slated for February or for March. Tomorrow's February, so get in early if you can.
Can I see some more zombies?
Yes, we will see some more zombies. Another project I encourage you to try to get whitelisted for is Wonder Pals, and wanted to share here. So 53K followers on Twitter. Alright, so besides the followers on Twitter, this Wonder Pals project hit our radar because a moderator in the Littles group, or someone we were just in an alpha chat with Littles holders, and they're one of the moderators here at Wonder Pals. And this is pretty fired up, in my opinion, the collabs for Wonder Pals. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like when we research things, not just taking anyone's word for it, but when you look at the collabs here, Wonder Pals and Lemon Friends. Lemon Friends was a free mint. My brother Ryan got a number of them, and they're a free mint. Now they're worth 0.45 on the floor, and you can see here a very healthy volume traded. Ghost, Wonder Pals and Ghosts is another collab. Their floor price is 5 ETH. 1 ETH right now is like $2,700. And then Kumo World, 0.27 ETH. Let's see here, Toy Boogers, 0.77, almost 1 ETH. Wonder Pals and Robots, Robotos, 1.3 ETH. Chonk Society, 0.15. Okay, Alpha Girl Club, 0.31. Woodies, 0.41. Fang Gang, 0.245. Wonder Pals and Shiba. Shiba. Is that Shiba? Oh, that's cool. Good Morning Cafe. Good Morning Cafe, 2 ETH floor price. And then Cool Man's Universe as well, 1.42. So just the fact that they have so many collabs with projects that are successfully launched has me even more bullish. And then a cool way that you can earn whitelist spots here is going into the chats. I actually won my whitelist spot here playing poker on a game day or game night. It was like top 20 out of like 150 people won a Wonder Pals Wonderlist spot. So they do trivia. I know a number of people on our Mo Money crew are participating in the different games that they have here. Still early enough where you can potentially get in. Only 6K members. So another reason why this was so bullish is because from what I remember, they were only allowing 25 people to join Discord every day. So it was like, out of everyone on the internet and in the NFT space, only 25, at least from our contact, he was only able to invite 25 people a day to join the Discord. So let's see if I can invite. Yeah, I don't even think I can invite people in here. But if you'd like to try to get in, then let us know, and hopefully we can give you an alert. Aloha. Last project I wanted to talk about is Tales of Suki. Tales of Suki has 268 people on whitelist so far, 74K people in their Discord, and to get whitelisted right now, it is revolving around fan art and memes. And I was recommended using Procreate on iPad to take art and edit it, and I'm going to try and earn a whitelist spot here doing that. But the reason why I'm bullish on this is because of the anime meta that's going on right now in the space. Lives of Asuna, for example, is 3 ETH post reveal. This was 3 ETH like 5 minutes ago. I'm going to try and enter this post reveal on the 7th to try and snipe something where maybe someone mints something and they don't like their art, so they sell it for cheap. I'm going to try and snipe something on the 7th post reveal. And what I mean by anime being meta is really being led by Azuki Ryan called Azuki when it was 2 ETH, and it went all the way up to 15 ETH yesterday. It's a little down today at 12 to 13 ETH, but again, 1 ETH is $2,600 to $2,700, which is freaking awesome. Ryan, thank you so much for calling that. And again, they're leading the way. There's a lot of other projects that are being put out there by talented artists. VMAT for Asuki, you can check out their info here. And from Twitter, on VMAT's Twitter, you can join VMAT's specific Discord. And hey, if you don't have the time to get whitelisted for these projects, you can follow them to see when their public mint will be, and then try to mint it on their official website on their public, or you can buy them on secondary and try to snipe things when people are listing them. You would go to activity and hit listings. And so this is, you know, if this was happening in real time. Oh, actually, let's do something really quickly on real time. So Hype Bears is a project that we minted earlier today. 10K collection at Hype Bears. 8,700 minted so far. You could only mint if you had a whitelist, so it's a 100% whitelist opportunity only. And if you wanted to try and snipe things while they're being listed, you would go to listings and check out. Okay, so people are selling at 1.5, 1.4. Right, we minted this at 0.4, and so we've already 3x'd our money at least, as long as it continues to trend up. And it, you know, minting started at 8 a.m. today. And if you, we won this on a marbles game through our good friends at the Coin Games Dev Squad. It's our favorite new crypto gaming studio that is led by Tim Yost. Tim Juiced, or Yost. Tim's a great guy. And if you want to join us for a marble run on Thursdays, you can hit us up, hosted by the Coin Games Dev Squad, and we will get you an invite to that. And potentially, you know, if you win a whitelist opportunity to one of their project collab teams, again, you could either hold for an awesome project that you like, or flip it for more money. And none of this is financial advice. This is just me talking story, sharing my opinion. But if you do make some more Monopoly money from hanging out and going on this journey with us, then more power to you. That's the reason why we're creating these videos, hoping that you make more money, bring about more health, more wealth, and we'll see you again soon. Hit us up, Facebook, Discord. I'm a Geronimo, and I'm trying to make mo. Peace.
Type something in chat. Geronimo's in here. Let's go, baby.